Welcome back to Bike Brand Pro, your trusted source for the latest in two-wheelers and light commercial vehicles. Today, we are diving into the much-anticipated 2025 Mahindra Jeeto van, a compact yet powerful option in the minivan segment. If you're looking for an affordable, fuel-efficient, and business-ready vehicle, stay tuned. Refreshed design and build. The 2025 Mahindra Jeeto van sports a refreshed exterior with subtle design tweaks that enhance its urban appeal. While staying true to its compact footprint, it features a more modern front grille, clear lens headlamps, and improved aerodynamics. The van retains its boxy silhouette, ensuring maximum space utilization without compromising on maneuverability, perfect for narrow city streets. Engine and performance. Under the hood, the new Jeeto van is expected to be powered by an upgraded BS6 Phase 2 compliant 625 cubic centimeters single-cylinder diesel engine. Mahindra may also introduce a CNG variant to meet the growing demand for eco-friendly commercial vehicles. With improved fuel efficiency and reliable low-end torque, it's built to handle daily logistics and last-mile delivery with ease. Interiors and features. Inside, the 2025 Jeeto van prioritizes utility and comfort. The cabin layout is simple but functional, with practical storage spaces and a redesigned dashboard. While it won't offer luxury features, expect essentials like a digital instrument cluster, mobile charging port, and better seating ergonomics. Mahindra aims to provide a fatigue-free driving experience for small business owners and fleet operators. Payload and usability. Known for its versatility, the Jeeto van continues to offer impressive payload capacity in its segment. The van is ideal for intracity goods transport, courier services, and even as a people mover variant. With an improved suspension setup, it delivers better load handling without compromising ride quality. Pricing and availability. Mahindra is expected to launch the 2025 Jeeto van with a competitive price starting around 4.5 Indian rupees to 5.5 Indian rupees lakhs, ex-showroom. With its low maintenance costs and fuel-efficient engine, it stands out as a cost-effective solution for micro-entrepreneurs and delivery-based businesses. Final thoughts. The 2025 Mahindra Jeeto van continues Mahindra's tradition of offering reliable, value-for-money commercial vehicles. With thoughtful updates in design, performance, and practicality, it strengthens its position in the entry-level cargo and passenger van market. Thanks for tuning into Bike Brand Pro. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more updates on the latest vehicles. See you in the next video.